Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT Canvas collaboration feature. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and use it. So let's just say one of your tab is going to be the project that you are working on. You want to create a complete new chat where you want to click on the plus icon and click on more and click on Canvas. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead and ask ChatGPT to generate long form text. So for example, an essay longer than 10 lines or code, Canvas will pop up automatically. You can also manually trigger it. So if you want to go ahead and use it in this exact chat as well, you can simply go ahead and write Canvas just like that. And then it is going to go ahead and pop up right over here. You can also go ahead and use, if you're already in a conversation, just prompt ChatGPT with open this response in Canvas to move the text into the workspace. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.